I read an article recently which went, "What if AI is just another technology?" Right? We are in this frenzy right now, and we think AI will be unlike anything that we've ever seen before. Reltio was founded in 2011, and what we do is build graphs from multi-source data and make those graphs available for AI, including agents or in the broader business operations context. So we have some of the largest companies as our customers. The fact of life is that data is siloed, and it gets siloed for a variety of reasons. Because companies acquire other companies, SaaS applications hoard data, and so data siloing is a fact of life. The question is, how do you bring together the elements of data that are the most crucial for running business operations? If you go back to 2011, the thought process was that data would never move to the cloud. The cloud is too risky, right? Now you fast forward 15 years later, not only is data in the cloud, a lot of the data innovation is happening in the cloud. Because we're the underlying platform that powers our customers' websites, their kiosks, and so the experience that we have to deliver is the same experience that you would expect from an Uber app, for example, or Starbucks app, where when you order the coffee has to be there when you arrive, right? That is how you earn trust, by doing that every single day. My view is a little bit more moderate. I feel AI will be life-changing, just as the internet was life-changing, and it will be a paradigm shift in productivity. But as a net of all of that, there will be more for all of us to do. AI doesn't train itself, the data centers don't build themselves. And as a society, we have to watch out for the displacement that might happen and make sure that it is replaced with more fulfilling and more meaningful jobs.